low mile, one owner here at Unique, especially in classics. 2002 Ford Thunderbird Roadster. Both tops, soft top and the red hard top you can see in the background. Clean Carfax. Under 4,000 miles on this particular car. Torch red in color. The two-tone interior, red and dark charcoal. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia, front grille. 3.9 liter V8 dual overhead cam engine underneath the hood that is paired up with a 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. As you can see, the paint shows well. I did notice there's just these real tiny couple of little touch-up spots. I don't even know if you can even get them to show up. Oh, right there. So very nice condition car. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, one owner. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726 as we take a look down the passenger side. As you can see, chrome stock wheels on this car. That two-tone red and dark charcoal interior. Of course, bucket seats, center console, shifter on the floor. I did mention it does have the red hard top as well as the soft top. Soft top would be power. As you can see, it does have the parade boot also on it, or the convertible cover, or convertible top cover, I should say. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear fascia, also in nice shape. A few things are going to go with this vehicle. Of course, there's the tool for tightening and removing the top, owner's manual. There's also the lug for the locking nut that's on the wheel, a little touch-up paint. And there's also going to be the folding stand in the trunk. So you will have a stand that you can set the convertible top on that will be in the trunk. Once again, still pictures. You'll be able to check out the window sticker so you can see exactly how this car was equipped from Ford back in 2002. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. As we take a look down the driver's side, as you can see, pretty much free of any major dings, dents, or scratches. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. I think we know how it's going to look with this kind of miles on it. Of course, your modern amenities, power locks, power mirrors, cruise, tilt. Actually, on this one, it's a power tilt or telescopic wheel. Right here, door tag will be in the still pictures. You want to see any of the codes off of there. Trunk release right down here, and you can lock it. Lock the release, that is. AM, FM, CD player, the 6 CD changer in the dash. Electronic climate control, dual climate control at that. Steering wheel controls. And let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. There's your miles, 3,949. Look at that, 3,949. Top of the dash, what you'd expect. Set dual climate control, so heat and AC. No check engine lights, warning lights, anything like that. Just the fact I don't have my seat belt on, so that's lit up. Peek at those seats. What you'd expect, that kind of miles. This is naturally wearing leather, so it is going to wrinkle just like an expensive pair of leather shoes. It's a natural grain. It is going to have some of those wrinkles in it. Passenger seat, just as nice a shape. Slip around to the back so you hear it. I've not noticed any modifications on this car, so stock sounding. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, take a look at this engine bay, and we'll get a look at it with both tops on too, and then we'll finish up this video. Take a look at the hood liner. Spotless. This car's not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. And of course the engine bay. And again, 3.9 liter dual overhead cam, V8. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. And once again, paired up with an automatic transmission, 5-speed with overdrive. All right, there's the engine bay. Let's go ahead and put the soft top up, put the hard top on, so we can get a look at it each way.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's a cloth top. Again, power top, functions as it should. And condition of it, again, what you'd expect with this kind of miles. Is black fabric, rear glass, defroster, no rips, holes, tears. Need it to keep you out of the sun or out of the rain. It's gonna function as it should. All right, so there's that one. We'll run that back down, and we'll take one quick look at the hard top on it. Finish up this video. And here it is with the hard top on, so matching red hard top. Iconic Thunderbird porthole. Rear glass window with the frost. I did notice earlier one little touched up spot here, if you can see that, and then just a little bit of a scuff there, but otherwise paint shows well. Nice shape, and realistically, I'm gonna drive it with that on there a lot. Summer fun with the top down. 2002 Ford Thunderbird, less than 4,000 miles on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.